Hello everyone, this is James from MPX Autos. How are you today? In this video we'd like to share the work that we actually finished in the Prado Altitude 2012 150 series, and this one came with the factory radio and factory sat-nav navigation screen over here, which already been removed, and currently it is fit with the premium 9-inch setup that has wireless Apple CarPlay, USB CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, USB Android Auto, and also this car also has the special towing off-road 4-camera on-demand system fit. So at this moment it's fully fit with the 4 very nice camera around the car. So let's walk around the car first and we see where the cameras stay. Okay, so at first we see here is the camera on the side wing of the right side. Now walk to the front. We have one camera stay here in the front, and on top of the mid buba here, it's very nice over here, and you have to see down there very well. We have the left side camera fit over here, and it will have to see along the side of the car, and at the back the car has a Cayenne camera mounting bracket, so we already fit the rear camera, and currently it is the full setup of 4 surrounding camera on demand for towing and for off-road purpose. So why we call that? Because it actually is the design to go like that way. So at first we talk about the automatic function of the 4-camera surrounding system, that if you turn reverse you actually will see the reverse camera, okay, which is full like this. And now if you put it into the front forward, you see the front camera showing right down, drop down on the front of the car. So this is a drop down, okay. So what you see here is a drop down right in the front of the car. And now if you turn on the signal on the left, you actually see the thing on the left side, just alongside of the car, very super wide angle. And now it's to the right, and you see super wide angle on the right side of the car, and it's fully adjustable as well. That is automatic function. It works with the signal, it works with the reverse and automatically showing on the front. But now if in case you are driving off-road or towing in the night time and even daytime, you want to see camera on demand, so 4 of those cameras will be shown up, on demand. Now not talk about the front camera. Okay, so the front camera showing full drop down picture of the front of the car, which is the front buba here, meter buba, and this white one actually is the number plate, the top of the number plate. Okay, that's from here to here and super wide out. So that is the front camera. Now the reverse camera. Now assuming you are driving, not parking, not reversing, you are driving and you can see camera on demand, and we control it on demand by the physical control gear over here, okay, over here. And now for the left side, if you want to see something on the left lane, that's the left, and if you want to see something on the right, that is the right. Okay, simple like that. Looks very simple at this moment, but it actually is a big job. It is a big job, I can tell, and it's beautifully running automatic and manual control for the 4 surrounding camera on demand for off-road and purpose. And the owner of this car actually coming from Canberra, and I believe that from what we found, it definitely belonged to an adventurous person who used this Prado as it builds for off-road and outdoor. Yeah, and the last thing we want to mention is, of course, the system will integrate into the air conditioner control very nice, and you can control from both of the screen here, or from the button here. And the extra bonus thing we should mention as well is the new digital sound processor amplifier system in the new head unit. Bring the sound in much nicer and better level than it was, even though the car comes with the premium sound system before. Now everything is beautiful and ready to be collected. So the owner is coming from Canberra right now. So we're looking to see you again on another video. Thank you and see you then.